Hello, good day. Welcome to a 1-minute astrophotography tutorial. Today I will show you how to take bias frames for astrophotography. First, let's ask, why do we need biases? Well, all our cameras have readout noise. This noise is present in every photo we take, and for daytime photography it's hardly noticeable. But when we take long exposure astrophotography shots, this noise becomes visible and it degrades the image. Here's a single bias frame from my camera. As you can see, there is banding along with other weird noises. To subtract this noise from our photos, we will have to take bias frames. Thankfully, it doesn't take a lot of time. You could take 20 bias frames within a minute easily. So how is it done? Make sure you are in manual mode. Use the fastest shutter speed available to you. Put the lens cap on your camera and cover the viewfinder. Use the same ISO as your light frames, and it's recommended that you take about 20 to 40 biases. Once it's done, just go to the stacking software to select these files and make sure they are classified as bias or offset frames. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please subscribe.